Hi my friends, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to have a video for you guys. It's kind of short and sweet, but I'm going to be doing a card featuring no stamping. And we're going to start off by using this 6x6 paper pack from Reverse Confetti called Forever My Love. I just love the colors in this one. And I also want to pick a pattern that will really complement the mirror cardstock that we're going to be using with our die cut. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this pattern here that's got all the different colors in it. And then I'm going to take my Blueprints 27 die and die cut this out. You'll probably hear my little kitty cat meowing in the background. She's wanting to say hi. So anyway, I'm going to be using also these two dies from Pretty Pink Posh, as well as this mirror cardstock from Tonic. And so off camera, I went ahead and die cut this thank you die 3 times, twice in the Kraft cardstock and then once from that mirror cardstock. And it's going to create a really beautiful dimensional focal point on our card. So it really does look like I embossed this, but I really didn't, obviously. We're using the mirror cardstock. It's got a really great reflective property to it, but it also not so reflective that you can see yourself in it. It's just it's a beautiful cardstock. I'm also going to be using this Sunny Studio Stitched Hearts die set here. I'm going to use this one that really fit well inside that one scalloped square there. So I wanted some contrast for my die cut between the Kraft and my die cut image there. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting some of the elements to my card together. I'm going to go ahead and just place down that pattern paper onto my white card base and then put the white heart on top of my cardstock scallop square. And then I'm going to add some multi-matte medium adhesive onto the back of this die cut here. And then we're going to take my tweezers. This will help me take this die cut and really place this where I want it so I won't let my fingers get in the way. I really love using these tweezers for that reason. It's kind of like a little bit of a helpful hand, if you will. So I can really eyeball that and get it really where I want it, and then get that adhered down really nicely. So once I'm really happy with the way that looks, I'm going to go ahead and put some foam dimensionals or foam tape on the back of this focal point here, this focal panel, because everything is kind of so flat at this point where I want a little bit of dimension to really complement the dimensional die cut that we put together. So I'm almost done with my foam adhesive there. As you can see, it's almost down in the nitty gritty. So I'm gonna be happy to start my new one here and not too long. So once I have completed putting everything onto my card, I'm just going to add a little bit more embellishment to this card because obviously we're not having any stamping, all die cuts today. So I'm going to add some Pretty Pink Posh rose gold sequins to add to the rose gold theme that we've got going on. And that pretty much finishes our card. Like I said, short and sweet today, but it's a very simple card, but it also gives a really nice reflective property, and it just gives it a really nice look to the overall card. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be back very soon with another video. Until then, I will see y'all on the next one. Bye-bye.